I've grown up in a shop my whole life, and my dad did this for work and then opened up his own business. So I was just super interested in it, and I felt like it could be a good career path for me.
It was a good program to have because there's a constant need for machinists, and even if it's not something I do in the future, I always have something to fall back on.
It's a great opportunity. It's free, it's paid for by the school, and it's a great chance for you to learn about stuff that you would be doing in industry.
I think it's important to me because it's given me more skills, and it just like the community, even around all of BOCES, just means a lot to me.
It's helped me to realize that you need to put in the time and the work to really get what you want, but the satisfaction of putting in that time and work is like no other.
When I first walked in here, you go and you look at the mills and you look at them and you're just bewildered looking at all the stuff. But then after that, after you learn what everything does, they look so much simpler. And with the integrated ELA into math, you actually learn about stuff that you would be using in this course, so you don't have to ask the teacher, when am I going to be using this? Because you learn about when you're going to be using it.
To me, it shows like if you put the effort into it, you're gonna get what you put into it. And I just feel like it's a good way for kids to be successful right out of high school.